parents tell me that I spent my earliest days staring out a window from 35 floors up in our downtown Atlanta condo. I would watch the trains and the cars all day. At 6 years old, I asked my parents to race for 9 months straight, and they said no every single day. Finally, they said yes, and I received my first go-kart and began racing at the club and national level. My father raced sports cars and also raced a Radical SR3 for a while. He tells me it's in my blood, as his father raced in Korea back in the 70s. As long as I can remember, I've wanted to race sports cars like GT3s and GTPs. My dream is to race Le Mans and a hypercar in the future. The Collegiate Racing Series is a program that helps students like me get into racing. When I was racing from 6 years old to 12 years old in karting, I often heard my dad complain about the lack of programs, help, and guidance in the karting to car world. I'm honored and excited to be one of the youngest students to go through the Collegiate Racing Series program. I know that they are here to help students age 12 through 25 get into the motorsports world through education, training, and real-world racing wheel-to-wheel.
It was fantastic for me to say, wow, this is racing. This is what racing is all about.
2:35, we start on grid.
Racing school has been absolutely awesome. I got to work with some awesome coaches like Todd Burris, who is one of the best Miata drivers in America, John Rudolph, who is very smart in his racecraft, and Sandra Smith, who is just an awesome guy. He's extremely positive. They not only taught me the basics of driving a sports car, but also helped me refine much of my racecraft that I carried over from my karting experience. Racing wheel-to-wheel with other students has been a blast. Everyone is so helpful, happy, and excited to be a part of this Collegiate Racing Series school.
As we debrief after that pit lane box, we'll get into what to expect and how to approach it, right? Because nobody wants to end their race in the first quarter.
But if you know how to take it and work with it, I mean, the car will get light in the rear.
I want to reach these people. I want them to know that this is an opportunity. There's going to be tremendous hand-holding in this process. You got questions, you don't know what to do here, let us help you. I mean, that's what we want to do, is make it accessible.
I think it's important to know that racing isn't something that you just pick up and do. Racing is a sport that requires you to be mentally strong, very smart, very hardworking, good at decision making, quick reflexes, and a student mentality. As a student, I'm here to learn as much as I can about the motorsports world, and I'm excited about what the future holds for me.